Hi, this is the video that will tell you and explain the rubric that goes along with the green belt unit. So usually I don't give you guys a rubric to go with your final project in the C section, but kids were abusing it and just taking stuff and just slapping it on the paper and saying, this is my collage. Well, yeah, technically it's a collage if you just paste stuff onto a background, but let's take it to the next level. So this is your expectations, okay? And I'm going to be telling you this for an excellent level right here. Everything in this area, this is your A and B level, okay? So the first thing I want is, let's talk about your theme, your big idea. So we need to have a unified theme. Master G, what does that mean? A unified theme would be the pictures in the collage need to have a very similar theme with each other. So let's say my theme is darkness versus light, war versus peace. My theme is the color blue. My theme is pets. Okay, so whatever your theme will be, you need to make sure that it's evident, and your pictures show that theme. I would get something pretty general because it's going to be really hard to find the images of, if, my theme is butterflies, well, you're going to have a whole bunch of butterfly magazines, right? So you're going to have to be ready to provide more images for that than I have. So be careful with your theme. Okay, the next one is it has to have a variety of 25 or more related pictures. Okay, you need 25 or more pieces for this collage. Okay, if you don't have that, you're not going to fit into the excellent level. Okay, so let's go down to here. This is your design. This is how it's put together. Images are integrated into each other to create a scene. Okay, so that means that you're not just putting a whole bunch of stuff on the paper and slapping it together. No, you need to be thoughtful about how you're arranging it. So if there's a person with their hand out, maybe you put something in that hand. Or if the mouth is open, put something in the mouth. Make sure that they interact with each other. You may use text, especially if it tells more about your idea. Okay? And then craftsmanship. Craftsmanship will sell your project. It's what's going to take it from looking like it's kiddish, arts and crafty, to making it look like it's the illusion that it's actually happening. So if you're at an excellent level, your images are carefully cut out, showing crisp, clean edges. And I think this just takes practice. Objects can overlap each other and interact with each other, and it would be really cool if you could point out and show me examples of the unit vocabulary. So that juxtaposition, transformation, etc. You should be able to point those out. Okay? So that is what the collage rubric is all about. And remember, your whole thing is all about how can I invent a new reality. And if you want an excellent on the C project, on just the collage itself, you should be shooting for these ideas. Okay? And as always, let me know if you have any questions. All right. Thank you very much. Master G is out.